Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tagry Bluetooth headphones to your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to use the soundput of their iPhone to be their Tagry Bluetooth headphones. How do you actually connect the two devices together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to watch until the end. Now what we're first going to do is that we're going to open up our iPhone, and then you're going to click on settings, and then in settings you want to navigate to where it says Bluetooth. So as you can see, our iPhone is now looking for other devices. You want to take your Tagry headphones, and right now mine are at 28%, and you just want to go ahead and hold them up. Once you open up the case, you want to leave it open, and then you'll see it appear as one of the devices on your iPhone. So as you can see, it's X08. So if we click on X08, those are our Tagry headphones. And then on our iPhone, we should see a confirmation that they've been connected. So there you have it. Now our Tagry headphones have been connected to our iPhone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Tagry headphones to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.